What's the meaning of Battersea Power Station? Battersea Power Station. Battersea Power Station.
Battersea Power Station. Battersea Power Station. Battersea Power Station is a former coal-fired power station located in the Battersea district of London, UK. It was designed by Sir Giles Gilbert Scott and constructed in the 1930s. The station is famous for its distinctive Art Deco architecture, characterized by its 4 towering chimneys. It was once one of the largest power stations in Europe, providing electricity to much of London until its decommissioning in 1983. Since then, the building has been featured in numerous films, music videos, and TV programs. Today, it is undergoing a massive redevelopment project to transform it into a mixed-use complex featuring luxury apartments, office spaces, shops, and restaurants.